How to prepare ginger tea for weight loss. To make ginger tea, we just need a little ginger root and water. If you want to sweeten it, we recommend stevia, which is the best option, but natural. First, boil the amount of 3 cups of water. Second, wash 100 grams of ginger root. Third, peel and cut into small pieces. Fourth, we put the ginger in a container or teapot. Fifth, add the boiling water and leave it covered to stand for about 10 minutes. And finally, sixth, we strain and serve it. For best results, you should drink 3 cups, hot or warm, during the day. This will allow you to lose to 11 pounds in 1 week. Find more weight loss tips and tricks in the link below the video. With your help, we will continue to growing the channel. When you subscribe, don't forget to ring the bell to receive more videos like this.